Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Microbe Journey. Today we will discuss about something uh, called enzymes. And enzymes, basically, these are the biological catalysts. They speed up reactions without being consumed. So let's start about enzymes. Enzymes which are present in saliva. These are ptyalin. Fat digesting enzymes, these are lipase. Starch digesting enzymes, these are called amylase. Stomach protein enzymes, these are called pepsin. Pancreatic enzymes which protein digested by, these are called trypsin. Milk curdling enzyme is renin. DNA cutting enzyme is endonuclease. RNA synthesizing enzyme is RNA polymerase. DNA synthesizing enzyme this is called DNA polymerase. DNA unwinding enzyme is called helicase. DNA joining enzyme is called ligase. Supercoil removing enzyme is called topoisomerase. Hydrogen peroxide enzyme is catalase. Urea forming enzyme is urease. ATP producing enzyme is ATP synthase. Lactose digesting enzyme is lactase. Maltose digesting enzyme is maltase. Sucrose digesting enzyme is sucrase. Peptide splitting enzyme is peptidase. Blood clotting enzyme is thrombin. Blood clot dissolving enzyme is plasmin. Cellulose digesting enzyme is cellulase. Chitin digesting enzyme is called chitinase. Fruit ripening enzyme is pectinase. Alcohol fermenting enzyme is zymase. Carbon dioxide conversion enzyme is carbonic anhydrase. Nitrogen fixation enzyme is nitrogenase. Phosphate removing enzyme is phosphatase. Phosphate and adding enzyme is called kinase. Electron removing enzyme is dehydrogenase. Oxidation enzyme is oxidase. Oxygen transfer enzyme is oxygenase. Amino group transfer enzyme is transaminase. RNA cutting enzyme is ribonuclease. DNA cutting enzyme is called exonuclease. I hope you find this video very useful, and if you like this video, then like and subscribe my channel, and this all lecture notes will be available on request. Thank you.